So the wall of the heart is made of special muscle fibers. They contract and they relax so that we have the pumping of blood, and it happens all the time, your entire life, without ever stopping, because if it stops, you will die. Because the heart is a muscle, itself it needs food and oxygen. So there's an artery that actually feeds the muscles of the heart called the coronary artery. It gives oxygen and nutrients from digestion to your heart muscles, and of course, it takes away carbon dioxide and wastes. So, this is the coronary artery. You can see how it extends all across the muscles of the heart. If the coronary artery is partly blocked, oxygen cannot get to it well enough, so the heart muscle will become damaged. Here we can see a block. It becomes blocked due to high cholesterol content. So this is actually due to an imbalanced diet or an unhealthy diet where you have high fats and high cholesterol content. This leads to coronary heart disease, whereby the muscles of your heart are not receiving the needs that they have, and this will impair actually the function of your heart.